How to fix VFS account login not working. First thing first, open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser by tapping on it. And then you simply have to head over to VFS Global's login page. Here you have an option to enter email and password. And even though if you have entered the right email and password and you're not able to log in, first thing I recommend you do is check your internet connection. For that, you simply have to swipe down and on your control panel, I suggest you turn off your Wi-Fi network if you're on Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. Once you have done that, you can try to log in using mobile data and vice versa. And once you have done that, if you are still facing the issue, then it's a good idea to clear cache on your browser. For that, you just need to go back and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then another menu will appear, head over to settings, or you could just directly go to delete browsing data. Just tap on it. Now another window will pop up. Here you're going to have to select more options. Then once you tap on more options, on the top right you'll see the all-time data. Tap on the drop down and select your desired time range. So let's say if I just select last 24 hours, then I'm just going to have to select the available data that I want to delete. Tap on delete data and you should be good to go. Then once you have done that, you could try to check if your browser is up to date. Open up any web app store, then search for the browser you're using, hit enter, and then see if there is any update available. If there is not, then you're just gonna have to try to use another browser or another connection. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.